boy Mike D, Hold'em Hook TV. Hey, on my way to the lake. It's early in the morning. The rain starting, but hey, I'm still going out here. So y'all come with me to the lake. Hey, I'm not a pretty weather fisherman. Any weather, I'm there. So y'all come with me to the lake. See if we can catch a few. Hey, I'll see y'all on the water, YouTube. Can't catch them at the house, on the couch. Y'all come with me. As you guys can see, it's raining, it's cold. Hey, I'm out here. You gotta go fishing when you got a time, got a chance to. Go fishing when you can, like Richard Jean say. It is good for you. He ain't lying about that. But I'm out here, it's raining. Man, look. I'm about to see if I can figure out a pattern with these fish. And we're gonna try to catch us a few in the rain. It's supposed to taper off a little while from now, so I'm gonna see if I can stick it out until it stops. And we're gonna try to catch a few, YouTube. So y'all stay with me. Mike D, Hold'em Hook TV. Hey, it's winter, raining. Ain't nobody say it was gonna be easy. So let's get out here and see if we can get a few. There we go. First crappie of the day. Out there suspended out there in the middle. So I'm gonna shift my focus. I'm gonna shift my focus over that way. It's a nice little eater. This will be about 10 inches. I'm gonna put him in the pot. So I'm gonna focus my attention a little bit out there. I've been looking for him all morning, so hopefully I didn't found him out there suspended, because that crappie, he hit it. I missed him because I was fumbling around, and he came right back and hit it again. So we're gonna go over that. So maybe they're doing something that way. Hold'em Hook TV, Mike D. Stay with me, YouTube. Let's get it. Another crappie. He's a little bit short on me, so I think I'm gonna let this one go back. It's a nice crappie though. Let's get in there and see if we can get another one. It's another crappie. Another nice crappie, 10, 11 inches. Look at the back on that thing. Good God Almighty. It's a nice crappie, another nice eater, y'all. Hope y'all getting a good look at that. I caught that fish so close to the boat just now. I mean, maybe 2 foot away from the boat, y'all. I mean, it really surprised me, because I was making a little noise because I was fumbling around in my bag, but it didn't stop that fish from biting. So let's get back in there and try to get another one, y'all. Mike D, Hold'em Hook TV. Winter, raining, cold. I ain't at that house on that couch. Come get you some. Hold'em Hook TV. Y'all stay with me, YouTube. Little gilly, little blue gilly. I don't know if that's a bluegill or not. I'm just playing. I know it's a bluegill. I'm just being hypothetically smart by the mouth right now. But all the purple, orange. God, this is a, if I'm not mistaken, this is a female. But we're gonna go ahead and let her go back in there and see if we get another one. Hold'em Hook TV, Mike D. Have a good time, little Miss Bluegill. Let's get back in there, see if we can get another one. It's almost time to get out of here. He messing around with it. I almost missed him when I almost set that hook. You see, he playing with it. He not. There you go. There you go. There you go. Finally committed to it. There you go, y'all. That's how finicky the bite is. I mean, he playing with it. That's why I say when people crappie fish, they're always looking for that bobber to go down. Man, look, if you're waiting on that bobber to go down, especially around this time of the year, you're gonna be waiting forever because those fish are very, very finicky right now. You tap, and almost try to set the hook twice, and I would have missed that fish. So just being a little patient, waiting a couple of more seconds, well, I was able to land that fish. Set the hook and land the fish. Crappie fishing, patience. Beautiful fish, nice back on them. It's about a 10, 11 inch crappie. They're gonna be good in the frying pan. We're gonna add them to the pot. Hey, we're gonna keep on trying to catch some more. Wintertime crappie fishing, Mike D, Hold'em Hook TV. Can't catch him at the house, on the couch. Right? Okay, here we go. Let's get back in there, YouTube. Y'all come on. There we go. Another crappie, about 10 inches. Another one for the box. Beautiful. Nice crappie. Good sandwich there. Hope y'all getting that. Wintertime, my hands freezing, it's cold. Hey, them crappies still gotta eat. Stay with me, YouTube. Let's try to get another one. Beautiful. Look at the colors on that thing. Look at the purple, bluish, all kind of colors, man. This out here suspended. Let's see if we could get another one. Hold'em Hook TV, Mike D. Let's. All right, YouTube. Hey, caught a few. We ain't catch them all. I don't think you ever could catch them all, but I tried. Hey, man. 42 degrees. It was raining this morning. Show y'all guys saw that on the film. Hey, that didn't deter me from doing what I needed to do. I got off that couch and got out that house and came did something. So, light action rod, Mr. Crappie Reel, 6-pound test today. Hey, do a curler tail, do a bobby garland. Hey, use live bait. I didn't catch anything on the artificial. Everything that then came off of the live bait. So, hey man, you gotta do what you have to do to catch them. Until next time, YouTube, Mike D, Hold'em Hook TV. Hey, y'all stay tuned for another video. I got another one coming soon. Can't catch him at the house on the couch.